Welcome home to this well-cared-for one-level ranch offering 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths with a desirable split-bedroom floor plan. The living area is anchored by a cozy wood-burning fireplace, and the spacious heated and cooled sunroom provides the perfect spot to relax year-round. The kitchen offers hardwood flooring, a gas stove, and plenty of space to cook and gather. Refrigerator, washer, and dryer can remain for the new owner. The primary suite features a walk-in closet and large bathroom / relaxing jacuzzi tub, while all bedrooms include walk-in closets, no shortage of storage here. Carpet was replaced in 2019, heat pump in 2023, and water heater in 2025, giving buyers peace of mind. Step outside to enjoy the fenced backyard complete with blueberry bushes and on the deck a beautiful creeping trumpet vine that attracts hummingbirds. A little backyard retreat right at home. Major bonus, natural gas whole house generator, huge plus a 2-car carport and an impressive 24x48 detached workshop that is powered and heated with workbenches and additional storage space ideal for hobbies, projects, or extra workspace. This one checks all the boxes. Home is located on outskirts of town, just minutes from the Bessemer City Park and pool. Located 7 miles from Crowder's Mountain State Park, 10 miles from the Catawba Two Kings Casino in Kings Mountain and approx 12 miles to Kings Mountain State Park. Attend the downtown farmers market on Sunday mornings or a concert in Centennial Park at the City